come to part 2 of reasons why you as a woman attract men who only want to sleep with you and nothing more. This is one of the things which really annoys ladies, and they feel misused, and they wonder, why were they foolish just to allow themselves to be used by that man? He just took advantage of you. He seemed to be so concerned, but he has run away. So why? Why are you a character which always attract men who take advantage of you and nothing more? And so this morning, I want to discuss some of the reasons. It's not exhaustive. And I hope you got some points in part 1 of this video. Now, one is misleading signals. You give men misleading signals. Your language, your suggestive comments, the way you handle yourself make men feel that you want sex and they get it. So what am I saying? I'm saying we should be very careful with the signals which we give to men. We have to be very careful. Don't give them suggestive signals. Then the other point is low self-esteem. So, low self-esteem can lead you to sex encounter. If you have got low self-esteem, you don't value yourself, you think that there is something you are lacking, there is something probably which you loved as you were growing, you didn't get love from the parents. So now, when you get a man who seems to be showing you that love, then you take that one very fast because you lacked love. And then because of esteem issues, which is low, you end up getting to sex. So low self-esteem makes you a likely candidate to be used for sex and nothing more, no commitment. And once a man has sex with you, he has done business with you, he block you, or when you ring him, he doesn't even respond. He just ghosts you, he disappears, and if you want sex again, even after some months, then he resurfaces and get contact to you and tell you, you have been lost for a long time, why have you done that? So what this person also wants to try to do is to make you feel guilty, and you feel think that you are in his mind when you aren't. He has gone to other women to play the same game. Then the other aspect is fear of commitment. You have been hurt. You have had many breakups, and so you don't want to commit yourself to any man because you don't want it to get hurt. Yet your boundary signals tell you that you need a man. So what do? You just get yourself available to any man who is available, and after that, the person disappears because he just wanted physical intimacy, your past experience, which you have been hurt. You tend to do that to become a victim. And then there's also the unresolved past traumas. There is the baggage from past relationships which are carried into future relationship. Deep emotional relationship or connections, you don't want to do it because you have really encountered emotional traumas through relationship. And then finally, there is the lack of clear boundaries. So you make others assume the relationship is solely for sex. You don't really express anything to do with commitment. You don't even mention it. You don't discuss it. So the man assumes that you are in this relationship just for sex and nothing more. Thank you very much. It's your family therapist and a relationship coach, Mutea Lukwaro. Thank you.